Welcome to our video here from Howard Piano Industries. Today we're going to be showing you a new tool that we started carrying recently for cleaning dusting the soundboard of a grand piano. This one's been around a while, but it's a new tool to us that we started carrying. It's the Spurlock Soundboard Duster Set. This, I've talked to a lot of piano technicians as well, and they find that this is the best tool for using for dusting the soundboard. It is much more effective than a lot of the other options. We've got our standard soundboard steel that we've been selling for years, and that works too. But this is just a lot easier to use and does a much more effective job. It comes with 3 different lengths of tools. It's got the long one to make the big reach for the longer strings, and then it's got these shorter ones that will work for the high treble section where we don't have a lot of room to reach inside there. So but basically all it is it's a steel rod, and then it's got a section on the end that's covered in felt, and that just goes down between, which I'll show you in a moment here. It does come with some extra felt, so if these get worn, you can replace that, and I believe these felts are available replacements as well when you run out of that. But basically, it's real easy to use. It just goes down between the strings, and goes down so that you can reach up here and just get the dust off the soundboard that way. So as you can see, you've got the dust on there. You can either pick it off here like this, or you can vacuum it off, whatever your preference is. But real easy. It gets the dust off the soundboard. You can use the smaller ones here for the high treble section. Go down again between the strings, and get the dust that way. So it's a real easy to use tool, and again is effective in cleaning the dust off the soundboard. So you can find these on our website at Howard Piano Industries. Please again let us know if you have any questions. As always, we're glad to help.